It's Salina with Empowered Healers Circle. This past month, when we had our live meetup, we covered a topic regarding abundance and how to align ourselves as energy healers in our highest abundance energy. So you can do that as well. I wanted to share how you could use the emotion code and the body code to increase your abundance energy. So if you know how to muscle test using some type of finger method, some type of breath method, or even the pendulum, you can muscle test with how much your energy resonates with the frequency of abundance. So when you have a moment, just take a breath, center yourself, tune into your energy, and ask how much your energy resonates with the frequency of abundance. And it can be general abundance, or you could choose like a specific area. It could be financial abundance regarding my business, for example. You can ask as a percentage how vibrationally aligned you are with the frequency of abundance as it relates to business or in general, and find out what that percentage is. So once you have that answer, and say for instance, just for example, that you tested out as like 72%, your energy resonates with the frequency of abundance at 72%, you would then ask, is there something you can use in the energy healing modality you use, whether it's emotion code, body code, or something else? Ask if there's something in that energy healing modality you can do to increase and raise that percentage of alignment for your abundance energy. So once you have that answer, say for example, if you tested out at 72% in your abundance energy as it relates in general or specifically with business or whatever area you're testing for, then you want to ask, is there something in insert whatever healing modality you use, emotion code, body code, whichever you use. Is there something you can use in that modality to increase your abundant mode? Is there something that you can use to increase your percentage of abundance energy there? And then do that. And then after your session, take a post marker as a percentage where you're at with your abundance energy, and there you go. And then just come back whenever you feel called to and continue to do that. So these are the type of topics we discuss and share, learn from each other, grow in our skills, do healings on each other in a group setting, and we break out into smaller healer pods at times. So if you want to join the fun with us, we're at Empowered Healer Circle. Just look for the link in the description below. We'd be glad to have you with us.